3 ways to make money online on Amazon, 2021. We've seen a lot of people go from zero to thousands of dollars in days and would have thought about how it would feel to be in their place. We might have even categorized it as luck, but now you can see how easy it is to make money on a trusted site like Amazon. So let's check them out right away. Welcome back to our channel, and for more methods like this to earn money, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be updated. This is all about making some extra bucks, so give this video a like and do not hesitate to ask us any questions in the comment section. Method 1. Selling digital products. If you've got a lot of creative juices but do not know how to monetize it or are not able to engage a larger group, Amazon offers many platforms to do this without any initial investment. Creating merchandise designs. One of the easiest ways to make good money on Amazon is by selling designs. Now, the biggest advantage of this is that we don't need to worry about things like printing, packaging, shipping. You simply create designs and upload them. When a buyer is interested, they can get things like t-shirts, bags, mugs, and many other products with your design. Amazon even provides royalty on the designs, so every time someone buys these products with your design on them, you earn a small amount. To make maximum money in this field, you need to do some research. Look out for the trending topics and designs that are already a crowd favorite and build on them to make them unique. These have a better chance of getting more buyers. You can look for trending designs from various other e-commerce sites and creativity boards like Pinterest. How much can you earn? For each product sold, you can earn up to $1.50, which is pretty neat for a zero investment platform. But Amazon does limit the total number of designs to 50 per person. Publisher on Amazon Kindle. If you have a flair for writing short stories or novellas, this might be the right option for you. Again, this option has the huge advantage of not requiring any initial investment in the form of publishing, printing, or marketing and advertising. All you need to do is write a book and publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The field of writing and publishing is drastically changing by the day. Gone are the days where the writer goes to publishing houses for getting a seal of approval and acceptance. Now they have the freedom to publish a book that they feel is worthy. Although this gives a lot of creative freedom, an important factor is the research that goes behind it. One needs to make the Amazon Kindle marketplace their next home and frequently look for trending books. Selecting a niche is another important task. Usually, while writing a book, the general advice would be to write what we enjoy reading. But when it comes to publishing an ebook, writing what works in the market is a much safer option. Do research on the demographic of the niche, make a complete outline of the book, and then jump into the actual writing aspect. How much can you earn? Earning as a published author is one that takes time. The more the number of copies sold, the more money you make. Some of the top authors make up to $20,000 to $30,000 every month. If you like the video so far, hit the like button and watch this video till the end to learn about 2 more ways to earn money on Amazon. Method 2. Selling physical entities. If you are worried that creating new content is not your cup of tea, you can stick to finding what is in demand and selling exactly that, and there are plenty of ways to do so. Sell wholesale goods. If you have access to any product in a large quantity, you can sell as a wholesale dealer on Amazon as a seller. This option is available on Amazon Business. As a wholesale dealer, you have additional benefits like accepting quotes for products. For this to be largely successful, one needs to learn what the products in demand are. Then find a resource to buy that product in bulk at a lower price. The most important aspect is to find sellers at a lower price than what you are planning to offer. Again, the main advantage is that you need not worry about brands and manufacturing. You only need to focus on the cost of purchase. This platform also gives you a bigger reach than any private platform that was used before. How much can you earn? This platform has recently become way more competitive than before. Despite this, one can earn up to $5,000 per month. Sell your own products on Amazon. If you already own a small business and have a brand, you can sell through Amazon. This is the most common way of earning on Amazon using Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon network. This process involves purchasing pre-existing products or your own products with a unique brand and selling it to the consumers. Once someone purchases the products, you can either ship them personally or use Amazon's services to ship them out. The only problem with this is that you need to be able to sell a decent quantity to make a good profit. How much can you earn? An established brand can easily earn around $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Retail arbitrage. Do you enjoy the art of bargain shopping? Then this might be for you. There are many products that become way too costly while resourcing because of shipping from overseas. Big brands may not be aware of local retail stores for the same products. Retail arbitrage makes use of this to make profit. Simply put, buying a local product at a lower price and selling them on Amazon for profit is retail arbitrage. Stores like Walmart have plenty of products at a low price which can be sold back on Amazon for a higher value. This can also be taken online. Portals like eBay offer many products at a cheap price, which can be sold for a higher cost on Amazon. How much can you earn? This method has also become slightly more competitive over the years. It might take a long time to find products that would actually bring a profit because a lot of people are doing it these days. But many begin their selling journey this way, and it brings a decent profit of $500 to $1,000 every month. Believe it or not, despite Amazon being a platform of e-commerce, one can make money without having to actually sell anything. Let's take a look. Method 3. Collaborations. Work as an Amazon associate. Amazon Associate is an affiliate program that allows you to earn money when others make purchases from products that you provide the link to. So, if you already have a blog, you can advertise their product on your site. People who click on the link provided by you and make a purchase would bring a small share of the income to you. Sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? Each category has a different percentage of commission, but the trick is to get people to buy costlier products so that you get a larger amount. How much can you earn? This highly depends on how much traffic your blog or post attracts, and also how many people would actually click on it and make a purchase. It also depends on what product you are advertising. For example, beauty products offer a 10% commission, whereas furniture and home decor offer only 3%. Work as an Amazon representative. Amazon, being one of the largest e-commerce sites, is in constant need of people to work behind the scenes. Many of the customer service representatives are working from the comfort of their homes. They offer common jobs of data entry and customer service, and also offer full-time and part-time options. This job is absolutely risk-free, simple, and brings the added benefit of working from home. To apply for this job, one needs to check on customer service associates and look for the available jobs and apply to the ones that you qualify for. How much can you earn? How much you earn depends on what you qualify for and how long you work for. Part-time jobs can easily pay a minimum of $30,000 in a year, which is pretty good for a side hustle. You can also avail additional benefits like healthcare and 401k. Join Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk, or mTurk, is a platform where tasks are uploaded, and on completing these tasks, you earn the quoted amount. The tasks are usually pretty simple, and they are called Human Intelligence Tasks, or HIT. These are simple things that require an answer, and if the requester is satisfied with the answer, you earn a reward. It's a quick way to earn some money when you have free time on your hands. The only disadvantage is that there is a limit on how many tasks one can take up. How much can you earn? This entirely depends on your ability to finish the maximum number of tasks and also on the reward for each task. Basic tasks pay about 10 cents and about $5 to $10 in an hour. Some specific ones, which require a certain skill, pay a lot more. Some requesters may even offer bonuses for a job well done. So there you have it, folks. With a little bit of research and patience, you can earn thousands of dollars on Amazon. If you have any more ideas on how to make more money, drop them in the comment section. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and we'll see you on our next video.